Hey guys, it's Andres again. So today we're going to be rating all of these Apple ringtones. And look how old this iPad is. Look at that charger! Oh, yeah, what year this is from. So, the first one is the default one. Ten out of 10, but it is default. Apex, that's the ringtone. To be honest, I think it's a bit scary for me. It's a bit scary for me. I don't know why I think it's scary, but I just think it's scary. Okay. 4 out of 10. Beacon. Ch-ch-ch. 5 out of 10. Bulletin. 5 out of 10. Did I write beacon again? 5 out. Yeah. Beacon 5 out of 10. By the seaside. My favourite one. Ten out of 10, definitely 10 out of 10. Chimes. It's a bit long. Shush, please. Okay, it's a bit long. It's a bit too long for me. Okay, I'll give that like a 4 out of 10 again. Circuit, that one's circuit. This one. Circuit. So the circuit one, this one. 4 out of 10 again. Constellation. I can't read it. Six out of 10. Cosmic. I feel like I'm getting boxed up actually. 4 out of 10. 3 out of 10. Crystals. 7 out of 10. Hillside. Wait. It reminds me of one of those frogs they just rub the stick around like something. Probably like a 4 out of 10. 6 out of 10. Illuminate. It's basic. 5 out of 10. Night Owl. I love this one. Ten out of 10. 10 out of 10. Ten out of 10. Playtime, now it's Presto. Apple owl. You. Oh, I know. Presto. You better wake up. Presto, I would rate 5 out of 10. And playtime, this one, I would rate 9 out of 10. Presto. 4 out of 10. Radar. I know everyone hates this one. What is? Okay, so 0 out of 10. Okay. Radiate. Five out of 10. Ripples. Replace the R with the N. I'm not going to say it. It's rude. Alright, so ripples. Oh, wait. I would rate 5 out of 10. 5 out of 10. Again. Now, ripples. Reminds me of a Fun Club phone. You know, one of the Samsung ones. 4 out of 10. No. 7 out of 10. Setcha, the classic. Ten out of 10. Signal. Silk. Right there. Signal. 1 out of 10. Shush. Silk. Silk reminds me that I'm a chicken. It reminds me that I'm a chicken. I think that I'm a chicken when that plays. 4 out of 10. Slow rise. It's a bit scary for me too. I know, 2 out of 10. Stargaze. 4 out of 10, I guess. Summit. Fly, butterfly. It reminds me of hummingbirds. 9 out of 10. Twinkle, twinkle. Twinkle was my first ringtone ever when I was little. Ten out of 10. Uplift. Oh no. So Fit reminds me of like I'm in the garden just dancing around. 8 out of 10. Waves. Oh guys, the waves is the one that my mum has. And my auntie. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. Right. So these are all alert tones. Yeah. We don't need to hear those. So here are the classic ones. Alarm. Classic ones I'm not going to rate. Ascending. Bark. First of all, I do not have a German Shepherd in this house. Bell tower. It reminds me of church. Blues. Stop. No, stop. Burrowing. Wait. Yeah. Crickets. Digital. Doorbell. Duck. Harp. And this one's also the classic. Motorcycle. Old car horn. Old phone. Piano riff. Pinball. Robot. Sci-fi. Oh wait, sorry. Let me find it again. Okay, let's hear sci-fi. Okay, now sonar. Strum. My cousin used to have that. Timber. Time passing. Trill. Xylophone. Okay, everyone, thank you guys for watching. Remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.